Couple areas we can do stretches. Okay, so one is your own car seat, just putting your foot there and leaning forward, making sure you have good posture, making sure your foot is aligned. Don't mind this item that's on the ground there. Obviously the ground's going to be dirty, so if you can see my posture, my foot is straight, my leg is straight, and we just lean forward. Okay, other areas you can use on your car, you don't mind, you can also use your car window to stretch. Right here, I'm here, as you can see. Once again, my foot is straight, we're here, and then I can just do my toe reaches and all that other fun stuff. Right, what are some other areas? Where are some other areas you can stretch on your car? If you don't want to scratch things up, it's a-okay. You can use this area, right, the corner of the windshield. Make sure that your foot, soft part's on your car here, and as you can see, you get really, everything's right at the length there that you need it to be, and it's all good. So, and once again, making sure that your feet are straight and making sure you have good posture and all that other fun stuff. My feet are straight, I'm not messing up the car or anything, and you can once again reach. These are good exercises, right? This is how you use your car in order to stretch, right? Okay, one problem with being out and about is that you don't have anywhere to stretch, but this is perfect. You can stretch here, right? This is about, right? This is about hip level. As you can see, it's perfect. Let me see if I can get an outside view. Right. If you need something higher, you can always use a shopping cart. Okay, because you always want to have your flexibility on hand. It goes into that old question, well, what if someone comes and attacks you? You think you're going to stretch, tell the person to hold on and stretch, hold off until you're done stretching? That's what I meant to say. And really, no, because you're going to be stretched before that even occurs. So using something like a shopping cart, making sure that it's stable, like this isn't moving, right? Or the bench, right? Benches are great areas. You have two areas. If you can reach up high, start low. If you feel like your flexibility is better, go here. That's a-okay. Your feet will thank you for it.